This learning object is a production of Abu Dhabi Men's College, Center of Excellence for ICT and Learning Technology.
IELTS is the International English Language Testing System. It's a system that's been set up by universities in Australia and the UK, and it's a way of working out what your level of English is. To graduate from the higher colleges of technology, you need to have achieved a certain level in IELTS. Today we're going to be looking at the listening exam for general training. The IELTS English Language Testing System has 9 levels, from 0 to 9. Depending on the program you're studying, the college wants you to graduate with a certain level of English. If you're on the diploma program, for example, which we're talking about today, you need to graduate with 4.5. The way that you get IELTS 4.5 in the listening exam is what we're going to look at now. There are 40 questions in the listening exam. Each question is worth 1 mark, so there's a total of 40 marks in the exam. In order to get band 4.5, you need to get between 12 and 15 marks. The exam is 30 minutes, but you have 10 minutes to transfer your answers onto your answer paper. I think there are 5 main reasons why people don't get band 4.5 in the listening exam. The first reason is they're surprised. They only hear it once, and often in the classroom the teacher will play it twice, or in other exams you hear it twice. The second reason is, of course, it's an exam, so people are nervous. They stop listening and they miss the next 2 or 3 questions before they focus again. A third reason is that they don't transfer their answers correctly. They mess up and they mix up the letters, or they mix up the numbers, so they go out of order. For me, the 2 main reasons that students don't achieve band 4.5 is they get the information but they don't write it correctly, and they don't follow the instructions correctly. Now I'm going to give you a little test which will help you focus on points 4 and 5. So, when you're ready, please write down the answers to these questions. 1. My name is John Smith. 2. I live at 23 Green Street. 3. My postcode is MK3 6BQ. 4. I was born on the 21st of November 1960. 5. I always leave work at 2:45 in the afternoon. 6. My daily newspaper costs me $2.50. 7. My favourite classical hero died in the year 331 BC. 8. The answer is true. 9. The answer is false. 10. I am a doctor in London. So, let's review some answers. As you can see, the student got answers for everything, but they're all wrong. Why is this? Number 1, he's mixing up capitals with lowercase letters. 2, he wrote down road instead of street. 3, all postcodes have capital letters. 4, he forgot to put the ST for 21st. 5, 2:45 is not the correct way of writing a time. It should be 14:45. 6, we don't write dollars and cents like this. 7, he wrote PC instead of BC. 8, you can't tick, you have to write true. 9, he hasn't spelt false correctly. And 10, he's used too many words. The maximum should be 3. As you can see, the student did really well. He understood everything and got all the information he needed. Unfortunately, if this was a real IELTS exam, he would score 0 from 10 because he's not presented the information correctly. If there's one thing that I'd like you to remember from today, it's you have to be accurate.